everybody, welcome to My Plastic Life. I have two very special dolls to showcase today, so let's take a look-see, shall we? Dramatic music! In case you did not know, I am a huge fan of the anime Inuyasha. It was the first one I ever saw, and it introduced me to the entire anime genre and got me interested in all things Japan. So when I found a doll customizer on eBay, I asked him if it would be possible to make Kagome, and he said yes, it was, and then he made Inuyasha as well. The seller, it's Kira Dolls Restoration, and if you're a fan of any anime, I highly recommend you contacting him on eBay. I will include the link to his eBay page in the description box below. He is very talented, very patient, and it's just very pleasant to deal with. The whole process was very, very smooth and very satisfying. So I am beyond thrilled to have these dolls. These are actually the very first two made from Inuyasha. So I have the first prototypes, and I am super excited to get these two out of their boxes and get them on display with the rest of my collection. So on that note, let's get these dolls out of their boxes. Ta-da! They are now out of their boxes, and we are free to take a closer look at them. So let's start with Inuyasha. Inuyasha comes wearing his traditional red kimono made from the fur of the fire rat. He has his adorable, iconic dog ears, and he also has his beads of subjugation necklace. His face paint is very well done. He has his gorgeous golden yellow eyes, and he's got kind of a serious, stern expression, and I think that definitely matches him. Inuyasha also comes with his iconic claws on all 10 of his fingers, and these are very well done. I mean, they're definitely delicate, so I'm going to be extremely careful with them. But, I mean, sheesh, check out this manicure. I'm jealous of his manicure. He also has very long hair, once again in the iconic silver color. And, of course, he comes with bare feet. Inuyasha also comes with two accessories. So we have the sheathed version of the Tetsaiga, and the pattern is on both sides. Now, it looks like paperboard, but it's not. It's very shiny. It's got a nice glossy finish. And now it is delicate, so I'm going to be careful with that too. But it is very detailed. I really like it. And he also comes with the Tetsaiga fully transformed. That is really cool. And once again, the pattern continues on both sides. So as he's holding it, I don't have to worry about one empty side showing up, which would look very weird. So yeah, this is very well done. I really like that I could actually see the details in the blade just like in the anime. And once again, it's very shiny. It's got a nice coat of sealer on it to keep it safe. So all in all, this is really cool. I really like this Tetsaiga. Next up, we have Kagome. And Kagome comes wearing her traditional school uniform, and she's got her very, very nice face here. She's got her little smile and her gorgeous brown eyes. Those are painted very nicely, and I like that there's a shine to them too, because to me that's also very accurate to the show. Anime characters, to me, they always seem to have shiny eyes. So I really think that that's a nice touch. Kagome also comes wearing her stockings and some pretty brown high-heeled shoes. Kagome also comes with some accessories. In her case, she has her bow, and it's the same material as the Tetsaiga, although we do have an actual string here, so that's a cool detail. So there's her bow, and we also have an arrow to go with that bow. Looks just like the one in the show. And if we're careful with how we pose it, it could look like she is actually firing that arrow. And of course, she also has her quiver full of more arrows, because my goodness, we can't run out of those. Both of these dolls come fully articulated. They can move at the head, and they can look up and down and side to side. They can also move at the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, the hip, the knee, and the ankle. Inuyasha stands a little under 12.5 inches tall, and that is from the bottom of his foot to the top of his ear. And Kagome stands a little under 12 inches tall, from the bottom of her heel to the top of her head. All in all, I am very pleased with these dolls. I am so excited to add them to my collection. The details are amazing, the quality is incredible, and the seller was just wonderful. I highly recommend checking out Kira Doll's Restoration on eBay if you're a fan of any anime. Chances are, if he doesn't already have a doll you're looking for, he could probably make it. So, again, I will include his link in the description box below. So I do highly recommend checking out his page. And that will do it for today. Thank you so much for joining me as I unbox these amazing dolls. I am now off to put them with my collection that continues to grow. And I will see you all next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.